How to fix custom background video call not working. If any day any of you are a messenger user and your custom background video call is not working on your messenger application and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the very messenger application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it like this. And then you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of notification and enable allow notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then tap on the option of permissions. Here you have to allow the permission to calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification phone, photos and videos. Again, you have to go back, then tap on the option of set as default. Here you have to enable, open the supported links and then go back again. Then you have to tap on the option of storage. When you tap on the option of storage, now if you see the data and cache out here, you have to clear down the cache by tapping on clear the cache. Again, you have to go back, then tap on the next option. That is app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can send your very problem to the email option here to the developer of your messenger. And if your problem is not solved even though, you can go to the option of Play Store on your very mobile device. And after you tap on the option of the Play Store on your mobile device in the search section of your Play Store, you have to search Messenger there. After you search Messenger there, now what you can see that you can see an interface like this. Now, if you see the option of update here, you have to update it and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.